viewers. Today we are going to see how we can deploy our Flutter web app into Netlify. Netlify is a platform which allows us to deploy our website or web apps, so we can make it public and share it with our friends and family, or just make it available to the public. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, I have already created a project here. It's Netlify web app. The name is Netlify web app, and it's our basic Flutter counter app. So this is here. I'm running it in the Chrome browser here, as you can see. It's our basic Flutter counter app, which will be available when you create a new project in Flutter. So we are going to deploy this web app into Netlify. So let's see how we do that. So first, let's close this. And the first thing we need to do is to push or add our code to GitHub. I have already done it. Make sure you have added your code to GitHub. I mean, a repository. Make a repository. I have created a repository and added the code to GitHub. So after that, we can go to our Netlify dashboard. Make sure to log in to Netlify and connect your GitHub account. It will ask when you first sign up for Netlify, sign up in Netlify. So here in the dashboard, we have two options: import an existing project and start from a template. In our case, we are importing it from an existing project. We can also drag and drop our HTML or CSS JavaScript files directly to upload it. I mean, to deploy our website. In our case, we are going to import it from GitHub. So let's click import from Git. Now here we can select Git. We have different type of Git providers. In our case, we are using GitHub. Click GitHub and let's wait for it to load. Okay, I have already given the authorization, though that's why it automatically skipped that part. So here you can see I have installed two Netlify into two repositories, and one is release made and the second one is Netlify web app. I will show you how to do this. First of all, you can go to configure Netlify app on GitHub, and here you can select your account and provide your password here. Click confirm, and here if you go down, you can see you can select the repository that you want to deploy. In my case, it's a Netlify. Okay, I actually added the repository here, so that's why it's not showing here. I have already given the access here. You can just select the repository you want and you can click save. Now in my case, I have already done that, so I'm skipping this part. And I can just close this window, and after that I can just select this part here, this Netlify web app, and after that it will take us to this page, and here we need to provide the build command and publish directory here. So our build command will be Flutter build web, and our publish directory will be build /web. Now we can click on deploy site, and that's it. It will start deploying our site, and we will get a unique link that will help us to access our website. We can share that link with our friends, family, or we can even put it in our portfolio, resume, whatever you want. It will be available for the public. So it will take some time. So let's wait for it. Site deploy in progress. Okay, as you can see, it's showing fail here. Let's check what happened here. Okay, the building is failed. If you go here, as you can see, there is no showing Flutter command not found. So the issue here is you need to integrate Flutter SDK here. So you can search Flutter here, and inside the integration, you can search Flutter and just click enable, and it will enable Flutter for our site, and we can now retry, clear cache and retry with the latest branch commit, and it will start building our website, and it will deploy in just 5 minutes. No, it will not take 5 minutes. it depends on the network speed. Mine is a little bit slow now. As you can see now that error is gone. It's downloading Flutter stable SDK. Wait for some more seconds and it will be done. Okay, our deployment is successfully completed. Now we can just click preview and it will take us to our web app. And on locally, it will take to our, it will give this unique link for us to access this our web app. As you can see, it's perfectly working. And you can also find that link inside site overview. You can copy paste this link and share with your friends. So this is how we deploy our Flutter web app in Netlify. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and make sure to like this video. And if you have any doubts or if you face any errors while trying this, make sure to mention it in the comment section. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.